Hello everyone, welcome to the Plurdy channel. My name is Marta, I'm marketing manager, and in this video we'll get to know how to show special offers and discounts on your website. But before we start, please make sure you subscribe to the channel so you won't miss our new videos. So running different promotional campaigns, offering discounts for subscription, organizing giveaways, those are the things that became very essential for marketing for every e-commerce store. However, many advertisers neglect the fact and the need of the good presenting and informing customers about those special offers and about those discounts. You need to be aware that placing a banner somewhere on your homepage with the information about discounts and special offers is not enough in most of the cases. At least because of the fact that many users don't actually check the homepage, they type something in Google search and they land on a category page. So they start checking the product from the beginning. In some cases, they might go to homepage and check it out, but also they may just stay on the pages with products. And also, even if a person is checking the homepage, very often the scroll depth for the homepage is not very deep. So basically, if you will place this banner somewhere on the third of first screen, there are high chances that this user will not see this banner anyway. However, there is much more effective way to present discounts and or special offers on your website, and this is a pop-up. Basically, with a pop-up, you can inform users about different kind of promotions, and you will be sure that the user is informed, that the user saw this information. If he or she is not interested in this offer, they can just close the pop-up. But for the warm leads, for the people who are already considering buying a product, this pop-up can be a trigger for making their decision. So I will show you how to create such pop-ups. We need to open our Plurdy account, go to Forms and Feedback, and press Build Form. We have here different kinds of forms. If our goal is basically to show some promotions, to show some special offers, the types of the forms that can be good for us are email collection forms, phone collection forms, promotional promo forms, and also custom banners. With those first two types, phone collection and email collection, basically you just need to give your customers an incentive like a discount or a coupon, and ask them to provide their contact information, their email address or phone number to send this discount or this code to the customer. This type of pop-ups are also good because you're collecting the contact details and you may use them in the future to upsell some more products to inform users about the next promotions. But also, like, be careful with that. You can only send promotional informations to a user who agreed to receive those marketing emails from you. Promotional promo banner, basically here you don't collect any contact information, but you can also inform a user about some discounts. So you can add call to action, you can add image for his desktop users. And with custom banner, it is basically also the same, but here the message and the call to actions button needs to be added on a banner. So you will need to work a little bit more on design to create this banner and to make sure everything is placed on this banner, so you provide sufficient information for your customers. I will just show you briefly how does this form looks on the website. So basically, here I created an email collection form. I added a short text: one day only, get 20% discount on your first order. And we ask a visitor to provide his name and to provide his email address. And we add call to action: give me my discount. So basically, after this pop up form, we will send this discount by email, and the person can basically get this discount and buy some products on our website. So the pop-ups really works better than just general banners placed on the website, because more users will see it. Also, don't forget that there are different setup rules, display rules for the pop-ups. So I wish you luck with creating your first pop-up. And if you have any other questions about the pop-ups, check out other videos to get to know more. Take care. Bye.